Vauxhall lady didn't like us filtering. Watch her creeping forward on us.
Hold on.
So she decided to shoot ahead and cut me off. Quick reminder of Rules 88, 160, and 211 of the Highway Code. Filtering is legal.
It's cut straight and look up in the highway code.
Well done. That got you far, didn't it?